And now weather with meteorologist Elisa Raffa.
Good morning and thanks for joining us. We're starting out with mostly clear skies for a lot of the area. We do have a little bit of a cloud bank from Mountain Grove up towards Lake of the Ozarks. So temperatures are a little bit warmer here this morning because the clouds on the overnight literally act as a blanket. They keep those temperatures from falling, and you can see that here on the temperature map. It's 21 at Lake of the Ozarks and 23 in Rolla, but we've dropped down to 16 in Springfield and 19 in Branson. So temperatures are a little bit cold to start out there this morning. North and west winds helping keep that cold air mass in place, and the wind chills are in the teens and even some single digits. It's 11 for that real feel in Rolla, 6 in Springfield this morning. So things are pretty cold. You want to make sure at the very least kids have a warm hat, gloves, and a scarf out there this morning. We'll stay pretty cold as we head through the afternoon. We've got high pressure over the Dakotas. We've got low pressure over to our east, and the both of them are funneling in this north wind into the Ozarks. So that's going to keep us staying pretty cold out there today. The air mass is not going to warm up all too much, and we'll keep these temperatures pretty chilly. Otherwise, not all that much going on, just a couple of clouds out there. What we are watching is the next system that is brewing in the desert southwest. This will track towards the Ozarks through the day today, and it arrives late tomorrow. It's going to track along the jet stream here, which is that highway for the storm. So it's going to take that highway right into the area and wind up in central Arkansas by tomorrow afternoon. So here we go. Hour by hour, pretty quiet out there today, a mix of sun and clouds. Temperatures a little bit closer to freezing in the lower 30s up in central Missouri, closer to 40 degrees down in Arkansas, 35 in Springfield. Quiet again tonight, a couple of clouds at temperatures in the 20s, 25 degrees for a low in Springfield. And by tomorrow, we'll keep most of the afternoon dry and mostly cloudy. Then later on in the afternoon, we'll have a wintry mix start to arrive from the south. It's going to arrive from south to north through the afternoon, and probably starting out as snow because the air mass will be cold enough initially. So we'll start out with snow through the early afternoon. By the evening commute, we'll have some snow arriving in Springfield. But then what happens is because it's coming from the south, it's going to bring warm air up with it. So that's going to start to transition the snow into a freezing rain and sleet as we head through the overnight hours. We might even see temperatures rise a little bit on the overnight as some of this warm air comes in. We'll have this messy mix on the overnight, and then it should clear by Wednesday morning with some drizzle possible. Now, a little bit of a disclaimer with these totals forecast, we still have to pin down exactly when and where we get that transition from south to north, from snow to that freezing rain. So these are some initial totals, some low to medium confidence on this, but for now it's looking like about an inch or less of snow and sleet in Springfield, higher accumulations, maybe 1 to 2 inches of snow in central Missouri. This is probably where we'll keep snow for most of the time, and then a little bit of an icy glaze for most of the area. Still trying to pin down where we could see some higher ice totals across the Ozarks. So again, you want to stay tuned to this. This will change. Again, what to expect: a dry morning and afternoon commute on Tuesday, just chilly temperatures. Snow arrives from the south by the evening commute. We change over to a mix of sleet and freezing rain on the overnight, and then we're looking at those slick roads likely by that Tuesday evening commute. And then again on Wednesday morning will be pretty slick. Then we've got a slow warming trend in the 7-day. We're in the 50s by Friday and Saturday. Today, a mix of sun and clouds, 35 degrees here with north winds, 25 overnight, a couple of clouds and chilly, 38 tomorrow. Quiet in the afternoon, a wintry mix arrives late in the evening and overnight. We'll have some icy drizzle early on Wednesday.